Whether you're cutting radius corners on your router table or a chamfered corner with a handheld router, Woodpecker's Corner Jig gets the job done faster, smoother, and more accurately than anything else on the market. Woodpecker's Corner Jig starts with a large machined aluminum plate with square reference blocks. There are 22 different templates that attach to the plate with 3 machine screws, 4 brand new large diameter radius corners, plus the original 12 for a total of 16 radius templates ranging from 1/8 inch to 2.5 inches. And 6 chamfer profiles ranging from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches. Unlike most other corner templates, the corner jig is flat on top. That means it can be used with a handheld router. Great when your project is big and it's easier to take the router to the project. But you can also speed up the process when you're working on smaller items by switching to the router table. When the work's done, it all stores neatly on a wall-mountable racket. The complete system is right in plain sight and ready for work. If you already have the corner jig, you can get just the 4 new large radius profiles to add to your system. Same with the racket. It's available for your older corner jig. There are 3 different packages for the corner jig. You can get all the radius templates with the base and the racket, or all the chamfer templates with the base and the racket, or the deluxe set with all 22 templates and the racket. Woodpecker's Corner Jig, the fast, accurate, and safe way to cut corners. Order yours today.